Well, ho, ho, ho!
Congratulations, Stacey. Well done, Stacey. Stacey.
What is the prize?
Pardon?
What is the prize?
What?
A
Stacey.
few other bits and pieces. Don't do it. Don't do it. Knew that would happen.
Special to compete in the Masters Golf for the first time after winning the Hong Kong Open.
Forces News headline.
A man's appeared in court charged with attempted...
Happens all the time here. I mean, this one's just driving straight over the, yeah.
And that one.
Yeah.
This is Forces News.
Ofcom has introduced new guidance for tech companies aimed at creating a safer...
Yeah.
I didn't do
Bit of it, yeah. Well, they have their own internal dickhead. What's he doing? Mind of an Uber driver. Picking up in the junction.
Of joy and laughter be. Oi, corner cutting cretin.
Big protruding bit of his trailer there, that's helpful, isn't it? If you're not paying attention, you're going to smash into that.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Things are really heating up in the country's smallest house. Dad! Squealed me a mouse. We could say rooms we don't use, interrupted Mo. Yes, Mo. Turn them down, not off, said Mia. Plus finding and blocking drafts, said Mo. Should
38.2 million pounds.
Plan with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra.
Ice Centre. Experience the magic of ice skating in true festive style. Plus, bring the little ones to meet Santa in his grotto from the 21st to the 23rd of December. Pre-book online for a ticket that includes ice skating, a gift.
Latest travel for the East Midlands. Next.
Hits Radio.
It's a funny looking bus. Funny looking bus.
She did very well today because both the.
Do we have working indicators? No. Indicating right because you're going round a corner. Okie dokie. Thanks for the indicators. I often criticise people for having faulty indicators and not indicating where they should. This is kind of just the opposite, I guess. Well, thanks. Who needs lights? So 2024.
Your safe space.
Because it's like they have to do all the. You can book different characters.
I wonder if that even.
Oh, look at this. I like the burnt orange.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's like a dull burnt orange. It's quite nice.
Who's he going to be? Let the rubbish pile up and then somebody will pull the finger out the backside.
This is funny.
Yeah, see the front of. Oh my god, look at that. Old Austin 7. Wow.
What's it doing? 10 mile an hour.
I bet. No shit. Austin 7.
I've never been in the Byron.
Ain't you?
No.
It's my first picture as I went in there. We had to come out because I was crying.
Oh, God.
I mean, monster walked straight through the wall, and I knew that wasn't right. Absolutely crapped the hell out of me.
And for those needing a bit more space, here we have a Saloon Jag S-Type. So now we have a 1965 Daimler 250, the V8.
It's a funny looking tram, it's got legs. Oh yeah, local scumbags out and about for a group circle jerk ride.